Are you practicing Carnatic music or just singing whatever comes to your mind each day? Many students know Sarali Varisai, Varisai, Alankarams, Varnams, even Kritis. But they don't have a daily practice system. Without a system, progress becomes slow and inconsistent. One day we practice Sarali, another day a Varnam, sometimes a Kriti, sometimes nothing at all. This kind of random practice makes it difficult to build accurate Swarasthanas, voice control, vocal range, listening skills and confidence. Improvement comes from consistent, focused repetition, not from practicing different things every day. That's why I created Voice Gym. Instead of jumping between many exercises, we focus on one raga for the entire month. For example, this month is Shankarabharan. Every week, we practice the same raga through 5 focused sessions. Monday, Master Swarasthanas. Sa ri ga ma ri ga ma pa. Tuesday, discover Raga Swaroopa. Sa ri ga ma pa. Wednesday, build voice tone through Akaram. Thursday, expand your vocal range with Tristhayi practice. Sa ni sa da ni sa di ni sa re ni sa re ga sa re ga ma. Friday, develop your musical ear. The same raga, different musical skills, 5 focused practices, and you continue practicing them throughout the month. That's the idea behind Voice Gym. Next month, we'll move to another major raga, then another. Month by month, you will build a strong foundation across essential Carnatic ragas. Once we complete 7 ragas, we'll bring everything together in a special 7-day Voice Gym challenge. Each day will focus on one raga, giving you a complete weekly practice routine that you can repeat whenever you want. Over time, you will build your own personal Carnatic Voice Gym. If you have been looking for a structured way to practice every day, if you want guidance instead of guessing what to practice, I'd love to have you inside Voice Gym. Every week, you will have guided practice sessions to follow. You simply press play, sing along, and build your voice, your ears, and your confidence one day at a time. Join Voice Gym and let's build a consistent Carnatic practice habit together. Your voice needs practice, not just lessons. I'll see you inside Voice Gym. Thank you.